Welcome to SIG Storage. We're going to go over the two-way SMS features so you can receive messages back from your tenants into the software. Be aware that Twilio will charge for every message sent or received. It's approximately 0.75 cents. We are here at the SIG Storage under your account settings and SMS setup. You'll see the two-way SMS settings and an input space for the activation. The next thing we need to do is open up the dashboard from the Twilio. You'll see you've got your Twilio number. Click on that and go to configure. Down at the bottom, you'll see the webhook link information. The next thing we need to do is go back to SIG Storage, copy the activation key, and take it back to Twilio. Under the configuration page, with your current number, down under messaging, in the first webhook slot, replace the entire link and save. That'll allow you to receive messages back from your tenants through the software. Thank you for choosing SIG Storage software. Make your business its best possible success.